In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn any TradingView indicator into a strategy using ChatGPT in the 2025 layout. First, open your chart and add the indicator you want to convert. Use the indicator search to find it by name and apply it to the chart. Make sure it's visible and behaving as expected on your chosen symbol and time frame. This gives you a live reference so you can describe the logic accurately. Next, watch how the indicator signals a potential buy or sell. Focus on the exact trigger. Does a fast line cross a slow line? Does a histogram flip above or below zero? Do candles or bars change color? Note the confirmation you care about, like a bar close, and whether you want long entries, short entries, or both. The clearer you describe these signals, the more precise your strategy will be. On the left panel of the 2025 layout, click Pine Editor next to Screeners and Calendar. This is where you'll turn your observation into rules the backtester can understand. Remember, a Pine script strategy is different from an indicator. It generates historical trades and performance metrics. Now ask ChatGPT to create a Pine script strategy based on the signals you observed. Write a clean prompt that explains your indicator's entry and exit logic, the time frame context, and whether you want to include long, short, or both sides. Mention that you need a strategy, not just an indicator, and ask for Pine script v5. Clear inputs lead to cleaner code. Copy the code from ChatGPT and paste it into the Pine editor. Give it a quick scan for the rules you requested, then click Add to chart to compile and apply the strategy. If you see an error, read the message, compare it with your description, and refine your prompt or minor details in the code as needed. With the strategy on your chart, click Strategy Tester on the left panel to view the performance. You'll see profit and loss, the number of trades, and a detailed list of entries and exits. Scroll through trades on the chart to verify that the logic matches what the indicator was signaling. Finally, adjust the strategy in Pine script to optimize results. Expose key values as inputs so you can test different lengths or thresholds, refine entry confirmations, and tighten or relax exit rules. Keep changes small and test one idea at a time so you understand what improves or hurts performance. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.